Let's restore this 50-year-old chair. It has lots of problems that can be improved, concealed, or completely eliminated. Soiling, cracks, delamination, scratches, a hole, grime, cuts, mold, scuffs and gouges. Let's get started. First, vacuum to remove grit and fluff. Mold treatment. Spray, scrub then wipe clean with a cloth. Repeat if needed. It kills mold and spores, and inhibits their return. Stage 1. Surface prep. Deep cleaner, brush, cloth and sandpaper. Spray and scrub like crazy. Wipe with a white microfiber cloth. Repeat until all areas are thoroughly clean. The leather must be free of visible soiling and invisible factors that prevent coatings adhesion such as waxes, oils, or silicones. Next, sand to key or etch the surface. .800 grit is usually ideal. A palm sander makes light work of cat scratches. Wipe down. Surface prep is complete. Stage 2. Repairs. The first step is gluing. Insert leather glue in and under the edges of the hole. Apply leather glue to the cracked piping. Spread it with a sponge. Glue down the rough edges of scuffs and rips. This glue provides a strong, flexible bond that dries clear and can be sanded. When the glue is dry, apply the first of multiple thin layers of leather filler. Leather Hero Filler is an adhesive, flexible, water-based compound that can be texturized and sanded. Air dry or cure fast with a hairdryer. Each layer must be cured before the next is applied. Continue filling in thin layers. Push the filler into the hole, then scrape out the excess. Fill scratches and cracks in thin layers. Don't fill creases as they are leathered memory rather than leather damage. Apply the first layer of leather filler to the cat scratches. Only when the previous layer is cured, apply the next layer. Work quickly and methodically around the job. Use a heat source like a room heater, hairdryer, or gentle sunshine to reduce curing time to minutes. Fill the scuffs. Continue until all cracks, scratches, and scuffs are filled and cured. Sand to make smooth. Stage 3. Finishing. Apply primer with firm pressure. Push it into the crevices and grain of the leather. Leather Hero Primer is an adhesion promoter. It helps to optimize the bond between the old coatings and the new. It is self-leveling and applies quickly and easily by hand. Good adhesion contributes to good durability. The filler has been blended over the hole and surrounding area. We tinted the filler with leather paint. It takes fewer coats of paint to conceal colored filler than when the filler is white. However, both can be fully concealed, so this step is optional. When cured, hand sand if needed. Prime the repairs again, then it's time to apply the leather paint. You may know of it as leather dye. It's a surface coating that comes in a huge range of mixable colors. It is flexible, refined, and gives an elegant, sleek, grain-hugging professional finish. Dab color over repairs. Work quickly and use light pressure. Avoid disturbing the product as it dries. As the number of coats increase, allow extra drying time or keep the hairdryer going. The color appears lighter when wet and darker when dry. Clean up around the piping and along seams. If you find that the previous coat comes off when you apply the next one, it's not cured and not ready. Allow more drying time or apply heat. Don't overwork the product. Put it on evenly, then leave it to self-level and dry. Coverage builds with each additional coat. There's no abnormal number of coats, but rather, as many as it takes to achieve full coverage. The final coating is clear top coat. This beautiful finish lends extra rub resistance and protects the color coatings. Pull sections apart now and then, or use props to prevent freshly coated areas sticking together whilst drying. Glide over the surface. Finish with nice long, even strokes with feathered ends. And now this leather repair and recolor project is complete. Cracks and scratches are gone. Natural creases remain. The piping has been transformed. For this job, we decided to paint over the studs. They look great. The armrests are no longer crazed and tired looking. The color is clean, unified, and refreshed. The hole. What hole? This repair and coloring system can be used on most leather finishes, including car leather, pigmented leather furniture, and lots of apparel and bags. The finish can be matte, satin, gloss, or high gloss. It's possible to recolor in the same color, dark over light, and light over dark. The various scuffs and scrapes along the top are almost unnoticeable. No more cat scratches. This job took 2 people less than a day to complete. One person had all the fun while the other filmed and held the hairdryer. Thanks for watching.